Monday, April 13, 2020. It's about 2 p.m. Nevada time. We're at Riverside Resort and Casino in Laughlin, Nevada. I earlier went to drain this black water tank, and the new hose we had here had perforation slits in them. We had a heavy hailstorm yesterday. And then when I was ready to connect this hose, this is our old new hose, discovered that on our old hose, which was in the front here, there was a lot of slits and it was brittle and broke. Anyway, the couplers at the end of the blue hose, they slide in place and they're held in by a clamp. So on the old new hose, which was a shinier one in the last video, you can see that clamp down there. I took the old new hose and tore off the hose itself, keeping the couplers. But the couplers themselves must have been glued on at the factory. Okay, because the ones that slide in, as we showed you in front there, it's a lot longer depth. And as you can see, there's a clamp on here ready to be used. These were just sort of forced in there at the factory. I'm trying to get it to stand up on my foot here. Yeah. And underneath that lip, they ain't glued in place. We'll worry about that if we need it. We have a second brand new 10-foot sewer hose. And as mentioned in the other video, here at the campground office, they sell them for $15 a piece, including tax. And that's it for this one.